To convert any binary number into hexadecimal, you should have the knowledge of how to convert any binary number into decimal. So as of now, I'll just take an example, or you can watch this suggested video, or just take one example, 1001. In hexadecimal, we will have maximum of 4 digits. So, and the weightage of each digit in binary is 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. So, if whatever the bit is turned on, I mean if there is a 1, it is considered as turned on, and if there is a 0, so it is considered as off. So, if it is turned on, I mean 1, so that number will be added, and if it is turned off, that is 0, then it won't be added. So if this is the binary number, so these and this one is turned on, so we will add only this. So 8 or 1 is 9. So the value of this binary is 9. So take another one, 1101. So now see, 8 plus 4 plus 1, it would be 13 in decimal. Just take another one, 1101. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 is 14. So this is how you can convert any binary number into decimal number. Still, for the reference, I have written the same table here, so you can see this one. In hexadecimal, we have 0 to 9, and from 10 to 15 we have representation as A, B, C, D, E, F. So 10 is A and F as a 15. So now let's take one example, 1100101101. Okay, and you have to convert this number into hexadecimal. We use 4 number of bits as a set. So just make a pair of 4 bits from the right to left and this one, and whatever the left number of bits you can either fulfill by putting extra 0 or 1 is also enough. So now convert this number into decimal. So 101, it would be 5. You can refer the same table, and 8 and 1 is 9, and this one is 1. So this is equivalent to 195 in hexadecimal, and this was in binary. Okay, so now take the another example, 1011. So now make pair of 4. Suppose it has been given as a binary, this one pair and this one. Now calculate the value is 128. This is 11, this is 10, and this one is 12. So for 12, what it is, you can see C, and for 10 we have A, and for 11 we have B. So this will be equivalent to CAB in hexadecimal. Take another one, 110110. Make pair of 4. Here it is 2, so you can either put extra 0. Now convert this one. So this would be 1, 2, 4. This is 6. And this is 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. I mean 11. This is 1, 2, and this is 1, 2. This is 3. So 3 to 11, and for 11 we use B. So it would be 3 to B 6 in hexadecimal. 10001. So make pair of 4. So it would be 18 is 9, and this 1 1, so it would be 119. So this is very easy. Now let's see how to convert from hexadecimal to binary. As you know, to convert any number from binary to hexadecimal, we were taking 4 number of sets in binary as a 1 digit in hexadecimal. So just reverse it. If we have 1 digit in hexadecimal, we will write that 1 digit into 4 bits in binary. That's all. Now let's take one example, A98. So this is in hexadecimal, and we have to convert into binary. So A is 10, so you can write 1010 for A, and for 9 again you can write for equivalent of binary 8001, and for 8 we can write this one, and this is now in binary. So for A it is 10. So 1010 I have written, and for 9 I have written this one 1001, and for 8 I have written 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Take another one which says CADEF. This is in hexadecimal and we have to convert it into binary. This is C. C is equivalent to 12. So 8 4 0 0, then A 10 1 0 1 0, D is 13 8 4 0 0 1, and then E is 14 8 4 2 1, then F is, and this is how you can convert into binary. So for C we have 12. I have written 1 1 0 0, A 1 0 1 0, D 1 1 0 1, and then E 1 1 1 1 1 1 0, and then for F 4 times 1. Take another one like 1 2 4 5 hexadecimal, and we have to convert it into binary. So take this 1 and here it is 0 0 0 1, for 2 0 0 1 0, for 4 0 1 0 0, and 5 1 0 1 0 1. This is in binary. Let's summarize this. So to convert from binary to hexadecimal, you have to make pair of 4 bits and from left. Okay, so just take one example. So make pair of 4 from the left, and extra 0 can be put to make pair of 4. You can put extra 0, however it is not required. And now convert each set of pair into hexadecimal. Now this pair you can convert into hexadecimal. So first you have to convert each set into decimal. The decimal equivalent is 5 and decimal equivalent for this one is 2. Now you can write hexadecimal equivalent of this number, and that's the result. So why I am not saying to convert into decimal, because if we are getting more than 10, so we have to use A to F. The same way hexadecimal to binary. So take each digit and convert them into binary in pair of 4 bits. So one example is A and 9. So take one digit and write this as a pair of 4 bits. So A is equivalent to 10 and this is 1010, so it would be 1010, and for 9 it is 1001, so 1001. So this is how you can convert from binary to hexadecimal and vice versa.